Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to mention someone in Notion. So to mention someone you just need to open your Notion app and go to the page where you want to mention someone, and in here type the added symbol, and here you'll find out the people that are in your workspace. You just need to type with their name, and if you don't find the people in your workspace you can always invite them. And when you are going to be invite them, you can at the right side you can see these options. Whenever you click on this option, they will show you some other option. So if you give the full access to the person, they can edit and share with others. That means they can do everything in your workspace that you have been done. But you can always change the access. As you can see, you can give the permission only edit. So in here they can only edit, but they are not able to share with others. Or we can select the option can comment. They can only comment and suggest. And the last option is they cannot do anything. That means they can't edit or share with others. They can view the things that you are going to be share with them. So you can choose any of them. That's all up to you. And after selecting, you just need to simply select the option invite. So that's the way how we can mention someone in Notion pages. And you have to do the same things whenever you're going to be invite someone in your database. And that's it. Hope this video find it helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks, and keep in touch with us.